Aeromexico's fleet is built around modern Boeing aircraft, with a strong focus on efficiency and global connectivity. Its mainline fleet currently includes a large number of Boeing 737 variants, such as the 737-800, 737, MAX 8, and 737 MAX-9 for short, and medium-haul routes, along with Boeing 787-8 and 787-9, Dreamliners that serve long-haul, international destinations, making the airline one of the largest in Latin America and helping it fly to destinations across the Americas and beyond. If you had the chance to fly on any Aeromexico aircraft, which would you choose? The Boeing 737 MAX on a short trip, or the Boeing 787 Dreamliner on a long-haul flight, and why?